What's up, everybody? It's your boy Frank the Tank from Bangin Garage on YouTube, Facebook, and on Instagram. And today we are at the Twisted Rod Show with the Pit and Pub and Cruisin Ocean City Endless Summer Cruisin'. There's Wade. All right, so we do this every time. You guys know how it's done. Today we're going to be giving away a Bangin Gears knit cap, just like the one I'm holding right here. Okay, in order to be eligible to win, you need to be subscribed to Bangin Gears Garage on YouTube, like and comment on this video, and it'll put you in the running to win the hat. Yesterday's video, we were going to give away a baseball cap, so you still have time to like and comment on that video as well. Like and comment on every video this week, and you get to win some cool Bangin Gears swag. All right, you also, if you registered for the show, should have got a Bangin Gears postcard, and you could use the QR codes to reach out and subscribe to Bangin Gears on YouTube, Facebook, and on Instagram. All right, tomorrow is my show that I am judging at the Convention Center parking lot from 1 to 4. So make sure you check that out. All right, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Catch you right back here tomorrow on the Bangin Gears Garage.
Wish